Hi, hello, namaste, Sharano, Sharanarthi. Recently, I have brought this KZ EDX PRO IEM. IEM is a in-ear monitor. This was a 3.5 jack, but I am using iPhone, so I thought of buying connector, and also I bought one from the source or sounds, but it was not. It was connecting, but the audio quality was not good, so I thought of buying the original iPhone only. So today just now I got the parcel. Let's see how it is, and the sound quality, is there any difference from the local to the original iPhone connector. Okay, this is how it is. iPhone, when I checked in the local shop, it was showing around 999, and here it is 900, and in Amazon I got it around 799. Okay, here we have a sticker. Let's break it. Oh, okay. This is how it looks, the packing and all. Hopefully this is original iPhone. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna check and update you about the sound quality. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.